Hello, I'm Nisha Pillay, and I'm at the IDRC Conference 2008 in Davos. And joining me now is Peter Forstmoser, the chairman of the board at SwissRe, the world's biggest reinsurance company. Welcome, Mr. Forstmoser. May I start by asking you, why are climate change adaptation issues and the harmonization with disaster reduction important for SwissRe? What's the connection?
Thank you. Actually, we are in the insurance business, which means we take risks from other sectors on our own books. Maybe we then transfer them, but first we have them. Being a large reinsurer, we are also in the large risks, and especially in the natural catastrophe risks. And with global warming, obviously, the issues around these risks have become much bigger. It's not just that you have a general warming, but you also have much less predictability of what will happen. And this is a key issue for us.
There's been a lot of talk about public-private partnerships. How can they be improved in this climate change adaptation field so that we can have better disaster risk reduction?
First we have to talk to each other, which this conference here obviously serves a purpose. We can exchange data. We can together try to find the best regulatory framework which helps to, on the one hand side, make possible to take over risks at reasonable conditions, and on the other hand side also to make transparent where the real risks are, what the costs of these risks are, and by this having a much better, more objective approach to risk assessment and risk management.
The whole point of IDRC 2008 here in Davos is to come up with ideas, actionable ideas. What would you like to see coming out of this conference?
Well, one idea we have started to think about in our company is transferring the concept of a chief risk officer, which is by now standard and good standard in the private sector, to have it in a similar way in the public sector. So a large municipality or a country could have a risk officer taking a holistic view of all the risks of a country, environmental risks, but then also societal risks, risks for the economy. Look at the correlations, the negative, the positive correlations of these risks, and then trying to find solutions from a holistic view. So that's, I think, one of the ideas that should be elaborated.
Peter Forstmoser, thank you so much for joining us and sharing your ideas and analysis.
Thank you.